Okay, as you can see here on the board, I have written the page number. Just check it out, page number 59. Who am I? I go up and down a lot, whether it's cold or hot. Sometimes I am on the ground, other times I am in the clouds. My name rhymes with daughter. I am your friend. Name. Listen. I go up. मैं ऊपर जाता हूँ. And down a lot. और नीचे भी जाता हूँ. Whether it is cold or hot. ठंडी हो या गर्मी हो. Sometimes I am on the ground. मैं कभी कभी आपको जमीन पे भी दिखाई देता हूँ. Other times I am in the clouds. और कभी कभी आप मुझे बादलों में भी देखते हैं. My name is rhyme with daughter. मेरा जो नाम है वो daughter इस वर्ड से राइम करता है. So I am your friend named water. Okay. So the answer DOUGHTER, daughter, water. This is a answer. Water. This is the answer. Okay. बुक में ही करना है आपको. बुक में क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. ठीक है, बुक में ही लिखोगे आप. WATER, water. DAUGHTER, daughter. Hello. Okay. Done or not? Show me thumbs up. Okay, very good. Okay, let's discuss another question which is on page number 59. On same page, fish tank. It is about fish tank. There is a picture which is given to us. What we have to do? We have to write only 3 sentences about the fish tank. Look at this fish tank, write 3 sentences on what you see. Draw some more creatures in this tank. You can draw some creatures. You can draw some sea animals in this fish tank. Okay. And first of all, we have to write 3 sentences for this picture. So first sentence I am going to write here. You will also write in your book from here. यहाँ से लिखेंगे. ठीक है. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस फर्स्ट लाइन में, सेकंड सेंटेंस सेकंड, and the third sentence in the third line. Okay, so let's get started. I am writing first sentence here. There are many fish in the tank. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 fish in the tank. You can write this way also. Okay, you can write this sentence also. I see some green plants. कुछ हरे रंग के पौधे या प्लांट्स मुझे दिखाई दे रहे हैं. ओके, these are called watering plants. Yes. Yes. And the third sentence you can write. I see some stones. at the bottom of the tank. Okay, so first sentence, as you can see, there are many fish in the tank. I see some green plants. I see some stones at the bottom of the tank. Yes, these three sentences you can write there.
Done.
Yes. Okay. Let's everybody completed this. Okay.
Done, sir. Where you are? Done, sir.
Yes. Show me thumbs up only, beta. You need not to say anything. Just show me thumbs up so that I can get idea that you have completed. Okay. As you can see, we have written three sentences about the fish tank. There are many fish in the tank. I see some green plants. I see some stones at the bottom of the tank. You can write your own sentences, students. Okay? This answer is just only for your guidance. You can write your own sentences like this. I
Done,
see
sir.
some fish in the tank. Okay? There are 7 fish in the tank. There are a beautiful fish. There are very beautiful fish in the tank. Like this way, you can write your own sentences in this answer. Like this sentence, second sentence, I see some green plants. There are some green plants in the fish tank. Okay, there are some plants with green in color. Like this way. Third sentence, I see some stones at the bottom of the tank. Okay, there are some stones at the bottom of the tank. Yes, like this way. You can write your own sentences as well. Okay, yes. Shall I rub this? Shall I rub this? क्या मैं ये मिटा दूं?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Now turn to another page, page number 6060. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree. Rain on the housetop, but not on me. Rain on the housetop, but not on me. But not on me. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree. Rain on the housetop, but not on me. Rain on the housetop, but not on me. Yes, this is a simple poem as you can see on page number 6060. There is a beautiful picture is given to us. The child is singing this poem. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree. Rain on the housetop, but not on me. Rain is everywhere, but not on me. I'm not getting wet due to the rain. क्योंकि बारिश मुझ पे नहीं बरस रही है. Okay. So after this, another question, another interesting question is for you. Just check it out here. Okay, you have some words. The words away, day, play are rhyming words. Now color the words that rhyme with. Students, in this square, there are some rhyming words. Just I am reading, listen carefully, like pin, spin, fin, tin. As you can see here, pin, spin, fin, and tin. Okay, so what we have to do? You will color all the same rhyming words with different color. Okay, it means if there is a pin, pin, fin, and tin, these four words are similar and rhyming or rhyme with each other, then you have to color all these four words with single color. Just as you can see here, it is red in color. It is red in color. All these four rhyming words are red in color. Manan, understood? Manan, understood? वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. राइमिंग वर्ड्स जो है वो आपको एक ही कलर से क्या करने हैं? कलर करने हैं. जैसे कि यहाँ आपको दिखाई दे रहा है, फर्स्ट at the outside of this star, as you can see, red color, because all these four words are rhyme. Okay, after this, dot, spot, hot, caught, and pot, these are the rhyming words. So you can color them with a blue. You can color it with your choice. Okay, which you color, which you like. And in the middle, as you can see, this is a star, and the words are brown, frown, clown, gown, drown, and crown. All these words are rhyming, so that after the coloring of this picture, you can get the picture of star. Okay, so this is the simple activity. As you can see here, you will do at your home after the class. Understood, Dimple? Very good, very good. Shall we move towards the next page? Shall we move towards the next page? Abhinav, Natasha?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall we move towards the next page? Next page पे जाए हम. Yes, there are some pictures. Very picture, as you can see on your computer screen or mobile screen. Look at these pictures and fill in the blanks from the words in the box. Okay. Which words are given? First is river. Another word is pond. Another is sea. Another is lake. First picture, as we can see here, first, the ship is sailing on the dash. Where the ship is sailing? Where is the ship sailing?
C.
Sea. Yes.
C.
Is sea. The ship is sailing on the sea. Right there in your book. Book में ही लिखेंगे आप. Another one is the dash flows from
मम्मी ये स्टार बन रहा है ना,
the
इससे इसमें येलो
mountain.
करना है ना, और इसमें यहाँ ब्लू ब्लू और यहाँ बाहर रेड। वाटर वाटर
The dash flows from the mountain.
रिवर
Now,
रिवर
now here river. Very good. The river flows from the mountain. Now, students, please mute your devices. The river flows from the mountain. The river flows from the mountain. रिवर जो है, नदी जो है, माउंटेन से निकलती है बहते हुए. The third sentence is the duck is swimming. Swimming in the dash. It is lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Who is there? Who is there? Let me see. Who is creating noise here? Natasha? What's wrong with you? The duck is swimming in the lake. And the fourth sentence is the frog lives in the pond.
पॉन्ड
P-O-N-D, pond. Yes. First sentence, as you can see, the ship is sailing on the sea. The river flows from the mountain. The duck is swimming in the lake. The frog lives in the pond. Pond यानी small water body. Lake means a big water body as compared to pond. River, nadi.
डन
Sea
सर
means large water body. Okay. Shall I rub this?
डन सर
Shall I rub this?
डन सर
Shall I rub this?
यस सर
Okay.
यस सर
Now,
सर
page number 6060. Storm in the garden. Storm in the garden. Here, I am going to read this story. Okay, before that, open your book at page number 62. Open your book at page number 62. Wait a minute. Storm in the garden. Shall we start? Started. Suno, suno. The snail is playing with his friends and the ants. Suddenly there is a storm. He hurries to his mother and tells her all he saw and heard. Okay? Just listen carefully. I am going to read this story. Listen the pronunciation of each and every word so that put a finger on each word. Okay? Suno, suno, the snail was visiting his friends, the ants. They climbed all over him. He, or hey, joy. They climbed under him. Hey. Suddenly, a great white light crashed through the clouds. Suno quickly pulled in his head, pulled in his tail, and sat very still. Outside, the sky grew dark and the crows flew past. Ka, 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 ka. Oh, but where were the ants? Suno stuck out his feelers and looked for them. They were hiding under a flower pot. Go home. Suno, the ants cried out. Hurry, your mother will worry. Suno went to his mother, where she sat under a stone near the wall. Amma, said Suno, there's a storm in the garden. I heard the wind blow. Ooh. I saw trees sway. Shy. I saw lightning flash. Jump. I heard thunder roll. Gadam gudum. I heard thunder roll. Gadam gudum. I heard rain fall. Now the word is so difficult. Stop it. I heard water drip. Flip. It was the biggest storm Suno had ever been in. Oh, shy. Gudum. Stop it. Flip. And do you know what? Suno didn't get wet. Do you know why? So in this story, all the words are related to the sounding words, related to the sounds. Okay? So all these words are little bit hard to pronounce. Okay? So you just try. Yes, you can try after this class. So let's get started from beginning. Okay? Suno, the snail was visiting his friends. One day, Suno, the snail. What is the name of snail? Suno. Okay? Suno is the name of the snail. And it was visiting his friends. वो एक दिन अपने दोस्तों को मिलने जा रहा था. Those ants, उनके फ्रेंड्स का नाम क्या है? Ants. क्या नाम है? Ants. They climbed over him, as you can see in the picture. As you can see in the picture, all over the snail, you can see the ants are climbing on his back, but he is looking so happy. So his friends, the ants, they climbed all over him. Hey, 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 they climbed under him. और वो कुछ उसके नीचे से भी जा रहे थे, उसके बॉडी के ऊपर भी खेल रहे थे. Suddenly, a great white light crashed through the clouds. अचानक से बहुत तेज आवाज होती है. गुड़ाम गुड़ूम गुड़ाम गुड़ूम. And suddenly a great white light means lightning. Lightning, जैसे बिजली कड़कती है ना, वैसे बिजली कड़कने की आवाज वहां पे आई. Through the clouds. सुनो सुनो, quickly pulled in his head, pulled in his tail and sat very still. उसने क्या किया? I think you must have seen the snail. He has a cover or shell at the back. Okay, when there is a danger, then what he do? He just in their head, his head and also tail, and he protect himself. Okay, so like this way, सुनो सुनो quickly pulled in his head. वो झट से उस शेल के अंदर अपना सर लेता है, खींच लेता, and sat very still, और वो बहुत आराम से बैठ जाता है. Outside the sky grew dark and crows flew past. Caw, 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 caw. और वो आवाज सुन के वहां पे कौवे जो है, क्रोज जो है, वो का 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 ऐसे चिल्लाते हुए वहां से निकल जाते हैं, भागते हुए दिखाई देते हैं. Oh, but where were the ants? But where were the ants? Ants कहाँ हैं? सुनो सुनो, stuck out his feelers and look for them. Feelers, where are the feelers? Feelers, वो क्या करता है? अपने feelers बाहर निकाल के ants को देखता है. They were hiding under a flower pot. वो कहाँ ants छिपी हुई होती है? They were hiding under the flower pot. फ्लावर पॉट के नीचे वो ants जो है वो छिप जाती है. वो देखता है. Go home. सुनो सुनो, the ants cried out. What did the ant say to the snail? The ant said to the snail, just go home. There is a big storm in the garden. अभी गार्डन में बहुत तेज तूफान आने वाला है. Just go home. अपने घर जाओ. Hurry, hurry, your mother will worry. जल्दी करो, आपकी मम्मी आपका वेट कर रही होंगी. सुनो सुनो, went to his mother, where she sat under a stone near the wall. Where did Sunu sat? See, Sunu went to his mother where she sat under a stone near the wall. वो करता है जहां पे उसकी मम्मी बैठी हुई होती है, दीवार के पास. near the wall means दीवार के पास. वहां पे वो भी जाता है और बैठ जाता है. अम्मा, said सुनो सुनो, there is a storm in the garden. I heard the wind blow, blow, blow. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I saw a big storm in the garden and the wind is blowing very harshly. Ooh. Don't unmute any device. Pratik Das, yes. I saw trees sway, 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 sway. हवा से बहुत ही ऐसे पेड़ जो है हिल रहे हैं. I saw lightning flash, flash, flash. Okay, I think you must have seen the flashlight of mobile. So just like this way, the flashlight of lightning, light in the clouds. Zack, zack, zack. I heard thunder roll, roll, roll. Gadam, gudum, gadam, gudum. I heard rainfall, fall, fall. मैंने ये भी सुना कि वो कैसे उसके थंडर साउंड आ रही है. Gadam, gudum, gudum. Also I heard rain fall, fall, fall. बारिश की बूंदों की आवाज भी आ रही है. Sit up. Sita, sita, pita, pita, sita, sita, pita, pita. I heard water drip, 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 plip, plip, plip. और बारिश की जो बूंदे हैं उनके गिरने की आवाज आ रही है, ड्रिप ड्रिप ड्रिप, फ्लिप 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 फ्लिप. It was the biggest storm Sunu Sunu had ever been in. Now he said that it is a big storm I have ever seen. मैंने अब तक इतना बड़ा स्टॉर्म नहीं देखा है. Oh, shy, shy, zack, zack, gram, grum, sta, sta, pita, pita, flip, 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 flip. And do you know what? Suno Suno didn't get wet. Do you know why? और सुनो सुनो इतने बड़े स्टॉर्म में भी भीग नहीं पाया या भीगा नहीं. क्यों? बिकॉज ही हैड अ शेल, he had a cover on his body so that he didn't get wet. Okay, students. So from this story, we have learned some words. You will write each word 3 times. You will write each word 3 times. Just check it out. New words and write fastly. Only few minutes are remain. First word is snail, storm. You will write each word 3 times. 1, 2, 3, like this way. Okay, students. Another word is dark. Then feelers. त्याच्यानंतर उसके बाद है लाइटनिंग. आफ्टर दिस थंडर. And the last word is cloud. So you will write each word 3 times. Snail, S-N-A-I-L, snail, S-N-A-I-L, snail, like this way. Yes. Write as fast as you can.